couple of years ago, I was asked by this gentleman to help him out with a book. It was about proofreading. So I took on that task right away because I'm also a Muslim. I believe, you can say I reverted, not converted, I reverted several years ago. It was a very easy task for me to take on, to help Arif to proofread the book. Because I found out, I also work as a teacher, not anymore, I stopped that in middle of June this year. But as a teacher and as a parent, I found out that that book is such a powerful tool. It has such a simple language, so casual stories from the daily life in the families. So the children should easily recognize themselves. And it's a great tool for teachers as well.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It was one chapter that captured me a lot. And it was about, in that book, how shall Muslims treat non-Muslims? That is something that's going on in my daily life. Because I am the only Muslim in my community where I live. I live 300 kilometers up north here. But I'm the only one in the Islam community. So that was very powerful to me, for me to learn from that chapter. Even I, as an adult, I learned from that book. So thank you so much for having me here. And I'm a little different. I should have said thank you before I started maybe, but I'm a little bit different. So thank you so much for having me here.